I hope you're having fun walking through this real-world application with us. But for now, we're going to take a quick pause here and work on an exercise. So part of something that you're going to have to do with probably every JHipster app that you have is start to customize the UI. And what we're going to do in this exercise is customize the home page and kind of the header that we're going to use. So this, again, we're still working with the default home page, if you will, that is kind of generated with our JHipster application. And now what I want to do is look at some requirements of what we need to do. So what I've done on the Running for Brews loyalty source code here is I created a new branch and I called it homepage exercise. So I have taken this branch before I've done anything. So you should be able to check this branch out and work on this code just as I am. And so if we jump into some issues here, we're going to look at what we want to do here. So let's talk about this. I forgot to add one, but I'll go ahead and add it. So first off, we're going to remove the JHipster logo. So we want to remove this logo and this logo up here. We want to remove the name and the version and replace with the Running for Brews logo. So we want to replace the name and the version. And if we look at the Running for Brews website, we're going to use this logo here. So you can just pop this open and use this logo. So we want to do that. Now the logo is black, so we're going to have to change the navigation. So up here we have this dark color. We're going to have a black logo here, and it's just not going to look good on this dark background. So we're probably going to end up with something like the Running for Brews website is now, and use that white background with just some black text. So that's some UI changes that we're going to have to do there. Changing the color of the menu items to black or something darker. We are going to add a leaderboard that is publicly available to anyone, so you don't need to be logged in to see this, but we're actually going to do this as a separate issue, so don't worry about it now. We're going to add some homepage content. Again, I think I'm just going to add like this title, this image. I'll add some text and a way for you to visit the website. The text is really just going to be explaining what the app is used for, but probably just stick some filler text in there for now. And then there is a footer here, so I'm going to add that as an issue item too. So you want to add the new footer down here. So again, we're just kind of cleaning up the home page, starting to brand it after our application here. So that's what we're doing in this exercise. Go ahead and run off and do this on your own. And we'll come back and I'll show you what I ended up doing in the next lesson. All right, so get to it and I'll see you in the next lesson.